Good morning, grade 7, and welcome back after the eat break. Today we're going to be doing text structure. So, the objectives for today's lesson are to define text structure, explain the different types of text structures, demonstrate understanding of analyzing text structures. So, what is a text structure? Text structure basically refers to how a piece of text is built. There are different ways in which the author writes or builds the text. So, how does he do it? We're going to see that. So, they use different structures to build their ideas and they communicate their ideas in a different way. So, basically, text structure refers to how the information within a text is organized. The first way an author might do it is by using chronological order. So they use this to explain how things happen in order. It is also called the sequence or time order. For example, why do you think the author might use chronological order to write about this frog? Think. So the easiest way to find out if the text is in chronological order is to look for words like first, next, later, then, finally. Here is a short example of a paragraph in chronological order. You can see the words first, then, after, and finally being used here. So it's your turn, and now there are two paragraphs up on the screen. You have to decide which one is in chronological order. I'll leave you to do this for 2 minutes. Now, if you read the two texts, you will see that the second paragraph is in chronological order because it talks about the events that happened in Pennsylvania through the ages. They've used dates, numbers, and words like later, after that, and today. So that's one way the text structure can be organized in chronological order. Next up is compare and contrast. So when the author wants to explain how two things are similar or different, he would use compare and contrast. The text would be designed where compare and contrast is used. The first way an author might do it is by using chronological order. So they use this to explain how things happen in order. It is also called. So he's using words like both, but, while to show the similarities or the differences. So that's another way the text can be organized. The third way the text can be organized is cause and effect. So for cause and effect, the author uses words like because, since, when, as a result, without, and so on. Okay? So again, an example for you. Here's a short paragraph. Baby painted turtles spend all winter in their nests. They have special chemicals in their blood that can keep their blood from freezing. As a result, baby painted turtles can survive freezing temperatures. So now you have to find out what are the causes and what are the effects in this paragraph. So, they have special chemicals in their blood that can keep their blood from freezing is the cause. The first way an author might do it is by using chronological order. So they use this to explain how things happen in order. It is also called. The fourth one is problem and solution. So sometimes an author will want to explain a problem and then show one or more solutions. This kind of text structure is called problem and a solution. So he's using words like both, but, while to show the similarities or the differences. So that's another way the text can be organized. Right. So the problem is that flooding can be difficult to predict. The solution is that the United States Geological Survey has more than 7,000 stream gauges that measure the water flow, so that they can try and predict. Loading. Last up is description. This text structure is used to describe a location, an idea, or an event. So basically, the author tries to explain a topic, a place, or a person by listing characteristics, features, or examples. So this is a short, very short paragraph. The pond was a beautiful place to visit, which is the main idea. And then he's describing the falling leaves, all different colors, decorated the surface of water. At the edges of the pond, small wildflowers grew. The golden forest glowed faintly in the distance. So basically, after the main idea, the remaining sentences support the main idea and describe the pond. So that is the other text structure that we're doing, which is description. So in description, you might find some clue words. They may also use words to show how details relate to each other by using words like next to, by, along, in, above, and so forth. So that brings us to the task, which is there are two worksheets there for you, and you have to identify the text structures used. To sum up, we have just gone through the text structures, the different ways in which an author can organize the texts. They are compare and contrast, problem and solution, cause and effect, description, and chronological order. So using these, try to find out how the texts given in your worksheets are organized. Remember to hand in your work on Tuesday. Thank you.